Hello to all students. Today we are starting again class 12th biology chapter 24, blood circulatory system of human, and today's topic is heart or human heart. Once again, today we are starting again class 12th biology chapter 24, blood circulatory system of human, and today's topic is human heart. So first of all, introduction of human heart. First is origin. Students, human heart in origin mesodermal. It means originate mesoderm layer. Once again, originate mesoderm germ layer. Human complete blood circulatory system originate mesoderm germ layer. It means in origin mesodermal. Next is position or location of heart. Students, human heart is located in the mediastinal space between both lungs. Between both lungs. Once again, human heart is located or situated in the mediastinal space between both lungs in thoracic part or thoracic cavity. Thoracic part or thoracic cavity. Next is heart type is myogenic. Once again, myogenic. Myo, it means, once again, it means muscles. So human heart is muscular organ. Muscles is cardiac muscles. Next is heart muscles. Name is cardiac muscles. Students, we studied in detail cardiac muscles in skeleton chapter, in skeleton system chapter. Cardiac muscles are involuntary and started muscles. Next is human heart wall layer is 3. First is epi, myo and endo. Human heart wall layer is three. First is epicardium. It means above. It means cardiac. Students, it is also known cardiac. Next is myocardium. It means muscles. It means cardiac. Third is endocardium. It means it means cardiac. It outermost, middle layer, innermost. It is outermost layer. First, it is middlemost layer. It is innermost layer. Once again, outermost, middlemost, innermost. It is fibrous layer. It is muscular layer. Muscles is cardiac muscles, and endocardium is flexible. Endocardium to have flexible tissues and once again and endothelium. Next is figure of human heart. Structure of human heart. Students, I draw a figure of human heart is human heart is four chambered. It means 1, 2, 3, 4. All mammals heart is four chambered. In upper side, auricle. In left side, left auricle. In right side, right auricle. They are specific, large in size veins. They are specific. Vein is pulmonary vein. It is a exception of vein because mostly veins to transport impure blood, but pulmonary vein, only single pulmonary vein to transport pure blood. It means oxygenated blood. Next is human heart wall. It is called cardium. Mostly three layer of cardium is epicardium. Once again, first of all, I draw a figure of human heart. We studied outer to inner. First of all, human heart wall is forms three layers. First is epicardium, it is outermost layer. Next is myocardium, it is middlemost layer. And next is endocardium, it is innermost layer. It is outermost layer and made by fibrous tissue. It is middlemost layer made by cardiac muscles, and it is innermost layer, it is made by flexible tissues. Next, it is a cavity, it is called pericardial cavity. In this cavity, to have specific fluid, it is called pericardial fluid. Once again, human heart to have a specific cavity in peripheral part, in outer part, it means around. Peri, it means around. Cardial, it means cardiac. Cavity, it means marrow. It means human heart to have a specific cavity around to heart. To this cavity to have specific fluid, it is called pericardial fluid. This fluid to provide witness to heart and protect to heart. Second is human heart is complete four chambered. 1, 2, 3, 4. Above chambered is called auricle, and below chambers is called ventricles. In left side, left auricle. In right side, right auricle. In below left side, left ventricle. In right below side is right ventricle. Next, it is anterior vena cava. It is posterior vena cava, or it is posterior, it is anterior, or it is anterior, it is posterior. All human veins proper integrated, proper binded and open in anterior and posterior vena cava, or anterior and posterior vena cava. Both anterior and posterior vena cava open in right auricle. In these chambers, it means right auricle and right ventricle to have impure blood, but in left auricle, in left ventricle to have pure blood, it means oxygenated. Next, a specific septa between right auricle and right ventricle, it is tricuspid wall. A specific wall or a specific barrier between left auricle and left ventricle is bicuspid wall. Next, this wall is semi-lunar wall. Next is, this is as a node, sino-auricular node, it is also known pacemaker. This is auricular ventricle node, AV node. This is fossa ovalis. but in embryonic stage this oval like pore is open. It is called foramen ovalis. Next is kerotico. Once again, this is kerotico systemic arch. And this is pulmonary arch or aorta. So this is a figure of human heart. Students, first human heart is myogenic type, it means muscular organs, and human heart to have four chambered, 1 2 3 4. In above side auricle, in below side ventricle, in right above right ventricle, right auricle, in right left side left auricle, above left side left auricle, in below right side right ventricle, in below left side left ventricle. Next, specific vein, pulmonary vein. It is a single vein to carry to transport impure blood. Pure blood, it means oxygenated blood. Next, some specific valve located in heart or situated in heart. First, between left auricle and left ventricle is bicuspid valve. Once again, bicuspid valve is located between left auricle and left ventricle. Left auricle blood enter in left ventricle through bicuspid. Next, tricuspid valve. It is located between right auricle and right ventricles. Right auricle blood enter in right ventricle through tricuspid valve. Next, semilunar valve. In number of semilunar valve is 3. Next, in right ventricle, once again, in right ventricle to have a specific aorta, it is pulmonary aorta. This pulmonary aorta to carry impure blood from right ventricle to lungs. In lungs, the impure blood become pure and enter in pulmonary vein in this auricle ventricle. And next is left ventricle to a specific aorta is kerotocystemic arch. Kerotocystemic arch to carry to transport pure blood from left ventricle to arteries and complete body. Next, in right auricle part, two specific round shape of oval shape structure. First is SA node. It is also known pacemaker. It is heart of heart. Full form of SA node is sinoauricular node. Next, AV node. It is auriculoventricular node. Next, on right, on auricle and ventricular septum to have a specific pore-like structure, a specific oval pore-like structure. In embryonic stage, this pore is open. It is called foramen ovalis. But after born, this foramen ovalis pore is closed, so it is called fossa ovalis. Next is, this is septum. This is barrier between right auricle and right ventricle and left ventricle. Once again, this is septum located between right ventricle and left ventricle. It is called interventricular septum. Next is, this is septum located between right auricle and left auricle. It is called interauricular septum. Next, this is septum between right or left auricle left ventricle. This is septum, right auricle and right ventricle. It is called intra auricular ventricular septum. It means between, it means ventricle, it means barrier, it means barrier located between auricle and ventricle, it means mid. So this is a figure of human heart. First of all is human heart chamber. Human heart chamber is 4. It means human heart is 4 chambered structure. Second is auricle first, second ventricle, number is auricle 2, right auricle located in upper right side, left auricle located in upper left side, ventricle first is right ventricle located in below right side, next is left ventricle located in below left side. First is chamber, human heart is complete 4 chambered. Next is node of human heart is 2. First is SA node, second is AV node, it is also known pacemaker, it is also known heart of heart. Next, location in right auricle, SA node and AV node located in right auricle. Next is septum of heart is 3. First is interauricular septum. This septum is located between right and left auricle. Next, second is interventricular septum. This septum located between right and left ventricle. Next is intraauricular ventricular septum. In number 2, intraauricular ventricular septum numbers 2 located between right auricle and right ventricle. Second, left auricle between left auricle and left ventricle. Next, wall of human heart. Students, human heart to have many walls, but according to class 12th, 2 walls. First is bicuspid wall. Second is tricuspid wall. Bicuspid wall situated between right auricle, right ventricle, right auricle and right ventricle. Next, tricuspid located between left auricle and left ventricle. Next is in embryonic stage. In embryonic stage, a oval pore-like structure, oval pore-like structure located on auricular ventricular septum. It is called foramen ovalis, but after born this oval-like pore close or fused, so it is called fossa ovalis. Next is aorta or arch of human heart. Aorta of human heart. Aorta. 2. First is keratico. First is keratico-systemic arch. This is keratico-systemic arch. Systemic arch. Next is pulmonary aorta. So students, some other name, for example bicuspid, other name mitral valve. So human structures is completed. So thanks, have a nice day.